Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys one of the sequential system project, and here's this project and it's the breadboarding for this project. Before doing this, I had to do a multisim, so I did the multisim for it so that I don't burn my parts here. So here's my multisim that I did this first and checked if according to my state diagram is working. So this was my state diagram. When I saw that the multisim was working fine for it, so I started building this. So let me show you guys. So this is the state diagram. So the sequential should start from 0 and it follows the indicated sequence coming back to 0. So it's gonna start here 0, and then it's gonna go to 1, 3, 2, 6, 7, 5, 4, 12, 13, 15, 14, 10, 11, 9, 8, and then back to 0. So this is what I did, and I'm gonna show you guys. Let me turn it on. All right. So this LED is for my 555 timer, and these are my 4 LEDs. So I'm doing a 4-bit, so I've used 2 JK flip-flops. So this is going according to the state diagram here. So here's the state diagram, and now 0 again, then 1, 3, 2, 6, 7, 5, 4, 12, 13, 15, 14, 10, 11, 9. It's going like that. So yeah, so it's working fine. So it's working according to the state diagram. If you guys want to know more about this project, please comment below, and if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also, if you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up. So it's better to start this project step by step. Test every single component before you start doing everything at once, because it's very hard to troubleshoot those. So I had some issues with this project, so I had to go back and troubleshoot. It was pretty difficult because there's too many wears. Sometimes the wears might come off, so it's very important to have some good wears for this type of projects. Even a single opens, then it's gonna cause problem for the whole system. So it's very important to do the wearing properly and put it in a safe place. The most difficult part for me was I started my system. I thought it was gonna work as I expected, but wasn't doing it. Then when I went back to recheck, I saw some wares were open, and I had to also make some fixes. So it was hard, but it's not impossible to go back and troubleshoot those.